Hello my lovely friends, welcome. Look where I am today. I'm in my garden. I know I promised you guys a tour of my garden. It is coming very soon. Okay, so today I want to just show you guys, actually I just want to come on here quick with this little video and show you all how to not have stinky organic fertilizer. I know a lot of us out there are making our own fertilizers and the plants love it, but the smell can be awful. So I just do one thing, guys, just one thing, and I'm going to show you what it is. This is it, sugar. I put sugar inside of my organic fertilizer. Yep, that's it. So I have a bucket of peels that I have fermenting for the past couple of days, and now I smelled it. It smelled really good, and I do not want it to start smelling bad because it started to ferment now, and I'm gonna give it something more to ferment, something sweet like sugar, you know. And this is gonna prevent your organic compost tea from getting all stinky. So let's go and pour that sugar in and stir it up. Let me show you what it looks like after a couple of days. So this is what it looks like. If you listen closely, you can hear the sound, the fermentation sound. So to keep that fermentation going, and to prevent it from smelling bad, we're just going to pour our sugar in. And that's all, guys. All you have to do is put some sugar in there. If you don't have sugar, you can use molasses, and you can use any sugar. You can use white sugar, you can use brown sugar. As I said, I am using coconut sugar because that's what I have. I love to use coconut sugar because it's a better sugar to use, but I shouldn't be putting such good sugar in there, but it doesn't matter. You can just buy some sugar and just keep it for your fertilizers that you're making, and you just put some here. And if you don't know the exact amount that I put about four tablespoons in there, and you can put as much sugar as you want. The more sugar you put in there, the more fermentation that's going to occur, and the smell is just going to be amazing. So yeah, so that's basically it. And I'm just going to use this later on. It's very hot right now, so I'm not going to water my veggies right now, but later on I'm going to use some of this to water. And all you need to do is put some in here. So you want to put like a quarter in the bottom, and then you want to fill that up with water and water your plants. Some people, they give their plants like straight, but I find that it's just too strong for them, and sometimes their leaves become a little bit yellow. That means they have like just too much of the nitrogen, too much. Some of the plants, they don't need so much nitrogen, so you gotta dilute it. So please dilute it. If you put in it straight and it works for you, go ahead. But as for me, I find if I put it just straight and I don't dilute it, my plants doesn't like it so much. Yeah, so that's basically it, guys. No more stinky organic fertilizer. Okay.